The Infinix GT30 Pro is positioned as a strong contender in the budget to mid-range gaming smartphone segment. Here's a detailed breakdown of its pros, cons, special features, and an overall conclusion. 4. Special features. Mechanical light waves, customizable RGB LEDs, a dynamic lighting system on the back panel with electrochromic accents and circuit-inspired patterns. It reacts in real time to calls, messages, charging, music beats, and in-game actions, offering a unique aesthetic, especially for gamers. MagCharge Cooler and MagCase Gaming Master Edition Bundle. This optional accessory bundle enhances the gaming experience. The MagCharge Cooler is a magnetic, snap-on fan that provides active cooling and supports simultaneous wireless charging. The MagCase is designed with heat-dissipating materials. GT triggers, capacitive shoulder triggers. Built-in touch-sensitive shoulder triggers that mimic physical triggers, providing a console-like gaming experience for improved control and response in games. Bypass Charging 2.0. This feature allows power to be delivered directly to the motherboard during gaming, bypassing the battery. This reduces heat generation and preserves battery health during extended gaming sessions. AI gaming features and XBoost gaming engine includes AI-powered tools for enhanced resolution, optimized frame rates, and a dedicated game mode dashboard for a distraction-free gaming environment. Infinix AI Suite, powered by Folax and DeepSeek R1, offering features like object removal, cutouts, photo expansion, AI Note, Call Assistant, and Writing Assistant. 4. Pros. Exceptional gaming performance for the price. The Dimensity 8350 Ultimate chipset, LPDDR5X RAM, and UFS 4.0 storage deliver flagship-level performance, especially for mobile gaming. Offering consistent high frame rates. Stunning gaming-optimized display, a large, high-resolution 1.5K AMOLED display with a super-smooth 144Hz refresh rate, high brightness, and eye care certifications. Unique gaming aesthetics. The mechanical light waves, RGB lighting, and cyber-mecha design give it a distinct, eye-catching look. Innovative gaming accessories. The optional MagCharge Cooler and MagCase enhance the gaming experience with active cooling and wireless charging integration. Good battery life with versatile charging. A sizable battery combined with fast 45W wired and 30W wireless charging, a rarity in this segment, provides excellent endurance and convenience. Bypass charging is a great feature for gamers. Dedicated gaming features. GT triggers, XBoost gaming engine, and AI enhancements provide a comprehensive gaming toolkit. Clean software experience. Infinix promises a relatively clean XOS 15 based on Android 15 with minimal bloatware and good update support. Solid main camera. The 108MP main sensor performs well in good lighting conditions. IR Blaster, a handy feature for controlling home appliances. Stereo speakers with JBL tuning offers good audio quality for an immersive experience. 4. Cons. Camera inconsistencies. While the main camera is decent, the 8MP ultrawide and 13MP front camera can be underwhelming, especially in challenging lighting or for video stabilization. Thermal management under extreme load. While it has a cooling system and bypass charging, prolonged heavy gaming sessions can still lead to noticeable heating. IP64 rating. While dust and splash resistant, it's not as robust as the IP68/IP69 ratings found on some higher-end flagships. No 3.5mm headphone jack. Gamers might prefer a dedicated headphone jack for lower latency audio. USB 2.0. The USB Type-C port is limited to USB 2.0 speeds, which is slower for data transfer compared to USB 3.x found on some competitors. Regional variations. Differences in battery capacity or specific features between regions can be confusing for consumers. Overall conclusion. The Infinix GT30 Pro is a highly compelling smartphone, particularly for mobile gamers and performance enthusiasts looking for exceptional value. Its MediaTek Dimensity 8350 Ultimate chipset delivers powerful performance, rivaling more expensive devices. The 144Hz AMOLED display is a joy to behold, and the inclusion of wireless charging, a rarity at this price point, coupled with rapid wired charging and innovative features like bypass charging, makes it highly practical for heavy users. The unique RGB lighting, GT triggers, and optional MagCharge accessories further solidify its appeal to the gaming demographic. However, it's not without its compromises. The camera system, while functional, won't satisfy serious photographers, especially for ultra-wide shots or low-light performance. While designed for gaming, sustained extreme loads might still lead to some thermal throttling. If you prioritize raw performance, a fantastic display, fast charging, and a distinct gaming aesthetic without breaking the bank, the Infinix GT30 Pro stands out as an excellent choice in the current market. If top-tier photography and a higher IP rating are paramount, you might need to consider a different, likely more expensive option.